Hi everyone, welcome back to From Rags to Regular, where I share tips and tricks on how to elevate your lifestyle and financial status. I'm Jessica, and today we're diving into something that's on everyone's mind: making money online in 2024. The digital landscape keeps evolving, and with it, the opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home, whether you're looking for a little side hustle or a full-time income. These top 5 ways to make money online this year can help you get started. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in. First up is freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, social media management, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. Trust me. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have made it easier than ever to connect with clients globally. In 2024, there's a growing demand for specialized skills like AI content creation, video editing, UX design. The best part? You can set your rates and start working on projects that interest you. I mentioned how I was able to escape poverty, and one of the ways that I did that was picking up a side gig. I joined Fiverr.com, and I was able to create a gig on there doing voiceovers with this mic right here, actually. On my very first week on there, I was able to get an order for $160, and that inspired me to keep on going. Now I pulled in at least $15,000 just from Fiverr alone. And it's been a great tool and it helped in so many ways, whether it's covered my groceries for the month or even paid for my car insurance. It's just been a very good tool. And so definitely check out Fiverr. That's one of my personal ones that I've used and have seen success from. Number 2, e-commerce and dropshipping. So next, let's talk about e-commerce and dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon FBA, you can sell products without ever touching them. I know, right? The key to success here is finding a niche market and sourcing products that solve a problem or cater to a specific interest. So nowadays we've got AI tools to help you with everything from market research to customer service. Running your online store has never been more efficient. So definitely check out that. There's so much research online about it as well. Number 3 is content creation and monetization. Another hot opportunity in these internet streets is content creation. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, creating valuable or entertaining content can lead to multiple streams of income. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, all of these are just a few ways to monetize your content in 2024. Even with micro-influencers, they're in high demand. So even if you have a small following, you can still make a significant income by partnering with these brands that align with your content style. So definitely jump on that one. These internet streets are very hot for it. Number 4, online courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in any particular field, creating online courses or ebooks is a great way to generate that passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, all of these make it easy to share your knowledge with a global audience. In 2024, there's a huge demand for courses in digital marketing, personal development, finance, niche hobbies even like photography, coding. Once your course or ebook is out there, it can continue to generate income with little to no ongoing effort even. That's when you get into that passive income, and that's a really great gig to have. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Lastly, let's not forget about affiliate marketing out here in these internet streets. This is a fantastic way to make money by promoting products or services that you believe in. By joining affiliate programs through platforms like TikTok, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, all of these will help you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. In 2024, with the rise of niche blogs, YouTube channels, social media influencers, affiliate marketing is more accessible and profitable than ever. The key is to build that trust with your audience by recommending products that truly align with their needs. So for that one, you're not just going to want to grab any product and say, hey, buy this thing. You're going to want to make sure that you believe in the product and that you actually like it to build that trust. So there you have it, my top 5 ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're just looking to start out or looking to expand your income streams, there is something here for everyone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to go from rags to regular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.